A few people have asked for a lesson on the Sarikouz, the Bafra version. I do have a video on it, but there's no close-up of the fingers, so this is a video with a close-up of the fingers. I'll play the tune first. Goes round and round. So the first part is a forward bow movement. Just playing the zil on the zil finger on the zil chord, the first finger on the zil chord. You're going to play forward with no fingers, and halfway through the bow movement, you're going to drop the first finger, and then you're going to go, and you're going to finish on the backward bow movement, and then when you go forward. So you're just going to go forward and on the back movement lift it, back bow lift it, and then you're going to go second, first, no fingers, finishing back, finishing forward. That's the start of it. You can also do the following. So there's a couple of ways of starting this. You can either do, I prefer that, it's a lot easier, but if you want to do it this way, it's drop the first finger, tremble on the second, finishing the same way, but the start is with a tremble of the second finger. So that's static, and tremble the second on the zil. Anyway, we'll do it the simple way, and you can do whatever you like. So I'll start that again, finishing with a forward bow movement. Forward bow movement. Sorry. The next bit is you can either do this with two bow movements. So forward, back. So basically, we're going to go. No fingers on the zil side, playing the zil, and then swiveling over to the bun side, dropping the second finger on both chords. Now you can either go so forward, and back, or you can swivel the Lyra and halfway through, a bit similar to the start of the tune. So basically that's one bow movement. So it's not forward and back, just halfway through, just swivel. Bit more efficient. If you're playing faster tunes, you can just do one bow movement for two notes instead of doing two. So I'll do it the simpler way with one bow movement. So it's basically that's one bow movement. First finger on the zil and the zil and the middle chord, the first finger. So when we're going to go, the other bit is dropping the first finger down, touching both chords, zil and center, zil and middle chord, and then just swiveling over to the gapan side. Now, as I said, you can do it with two bow movements or one. I find it's easier doing just the one. That's the one, or it just makes it hard. You've got to move your fingers a lot quicker to get it to move over. But anyway, start that from the start. The next bit is so second finger on the gapan side, touching the gapan chord in the middle. and then the first finger touching the same chords. Then swivel, no fingers, dropping the second finger again on the two chords. Now the next bit, again this is just one bow movement, that's one bow movement. So forward on the zill, playing on the zill side, but when we halfway through the bow movement, we're gonna swivel and drop the second finger on the gapan and the middle chord. Now that's a single finger on the zill chord only. They're all swivels. That's one bow movement, forward. That's one bow movement. That's a backward bow movement. That's forward, forward. I'll start that from the start. Next bit, we're going to swivel over to the gapan side. I only play the gapan chord with the finger and the gapan with the bow. Forward back, no fingers on the gapan side. Drop the first finger on the gapan in the middle. Now this bit here, that's two fingers, two fingers. Now this one's only the fourth finger on the middle chord only. So that's just the one finger. That's it. So I'll do it from the start. Just tremble the middle chord only if you want at the end. And that's it.